Let's see what we can do today. Let's see what we can do today. Open up. Yum. What'd you think about that? Is that good stuff? You want some more? Open up. Yummy. What kind of food is that? You want to touch it, don't you? You want to touch it? There you go. Good girl. Big girl. Look at you eating, feeding yourself. Yes. All right, come on. Yum. Is that good stuff? Yeah, you gonna touch it? Open up. There you go. Want some more? Yeah, I think you're getting the hang of it. I think you are getting the hang of it. It's good, isn't it? Okay, here you go. Oh, what's that? Open up. Uh-oh. Is this bad timing? Open up. Open up. You got to open before you can eat it. Open up. Open up. That wasn't very good. I don't think we got anything that time. Let's try again. There you go. Good job. You want some more? You like it? I keep sitting you up. Do we need to lean your chair back again? Big bite. Big bite. Yeah, it's good stuff, isn't it?